Different heater.
What?
Vitamins are minerals.
Who are you?
I am a junk food leader. I am a junk food leader.
What?
It's very tasty. Food. Eat junk food. Don't eat healthy food. Eat junk food. Don't eat healthy food. Eat junk food.
Stop it! Stop it! I am really totally confused. What do I do? What do I do? Okay, we must have one salad. You do it.
Okay, challenge accepted. We are the best.
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 We are the best. I know always will eat healthy food and my parents will also happy.
Listen, girl. Healthy food is not enough. Your kid, yourself, body healthy and fit. Here are the little things keep your body healthy and fit. Exercise regularly. Be hygienic. Wash your hands thoroughly. Take shower regularly. Eat healthy. Stay healthy.